तो क्या होता है कि जब इमोशंस आप वेंट नहीं देते उनको, इमोशंस सप्रेस हो जाते हैं और यंग पीपल देन स्टार्ट सेल्फ सूदिंग विद सब्सटेंसेस, नॉट बिकॉज दे आर बैड किड्स, नो, बट बिकॉज nobody ever taught them how to handle pain. Then we have another reason, which is a very important reason again in today's era, certain pop culture, hip hop culture, where they make intoxication look cool. There are verses like Cipline, Codeine, Escape. You are familiar with it, right? ऐसा कुछ करके बोला जाता है, just it's more like suffering is sold as an aesthetic, right? तो क्या होता है कि अब अगर आपके दोस्त भी ऐसा करते हैं, it feels like the only way to belong, because if there is an adolescent kid, उसकी ऐसी उम्र होती है जहाँ पे he is prone to or vulnerable to, you know, getting influenced by such external factors. So this is one of the reasons. Then we have another reason जिससे हम बहुत अच्छे से वाकिफ है, that's trauma. तो Kashmir and trauma, it goes hand in hand. Kashmir carries trauma like a, what do you call it, shadow. And when this trauma goes untreated, addiction moves in like a guest that never leaves. So these were some reasons. Now अब अगर reasons के बारे में भी हमें पता चल गई है, now there are some signs. If you're skeptic about somebody or your loved one who's into substance abuse, good signs are that you can watch for. One of them being sudden mood swings, lack of interest in hobby, school, college, और sleep issues हो गए आपके. Then lying, stealing, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से हमेशा स्टार्ट होता है, छोटी चीज़ें गायब होना शुरू हो जाती है. Withdrawing from family, देखिए क्या होता है कि अगर किसी का बच्चा, if he locks or she locks himself or herself from within, what happens, उसको कभी बिठा के ये पूछा नहीं जाता है कि let's talk it out, what is wrong with you. उल्टा ताने खाता है कि रोज़ कमरे में बैठे होते हो, माँ बाप का नाम खराब किया है. तो क्या होता है कि it adds on to his or her misery, उसको कोई मदद नहीं मिलती है.